How to fix EFI Bootloader on Windows 11. 1. Use Startup Repair in Windows Safe Mode. 2. Reassign the affected drive. Letter with disk part. Commands include, select disk 0 list volume, select volume 2, in this case, 3. Repeat the tip 2 under command. Prompt subsection in Windows Safe Mode. Additionally, run the following. Commands: cd/dd:\/efi\microsoft\boot/bootrec/fitboot4. Run the following commands as admin. bootrec/scanos bootrec/fixmper bootrec/fixboot bootsec/nt60sys bootrec/rebuild.